Hello guys, more food is available for Shiba Inu hodlers. Yes, Uber Eats now accepts Shiba Inu as a form of payment. Keep watching this video to find out more. Shiba Inu is also now accepted on the Coinbase platform as a form of payment. What else? Once more, Shytoshi is dropping hints. What is it about, exactly? Let's look at all the juicy details right here right now. Before we continue, this is Bashbox, your favorite crypto news plug. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button in order to get breaking news. You can also send us an email using the email address on your screen if you need our services for creating adverts and business proposals. Now let's delve into it. Shiba Inu incorporated as payment method on Coinbase commerce platform. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the US, Coinbase, has announced the addition of 7 additional digital assets, including Shiba Inu, as payment alternatives on its commerce platform. We're announcing 2 huge upgrades to our commerce platform: immediate, free payments from Coinbase customers to commerce businesses, and 7 additional cryptocurrencies that can be used for payments through commerce, according to Coinbase. The exchange claims that the pressure from customers who demanded the inclusion of certain crypto assets as payment options led to the integration of these new digital assets. The exchange is confident that the new features will improve merchants' experience on its commerce platform. We now support BTC, ETH, USDC, BCH, LTC, DOGE, DAI, USDT, AP, and SHIB, according to Coinbase. The choice of whether to hold or automatically convert any cryptocurrency balance to USD is readily managed by merchants, who can also turn off the cryptocurrencies they don't wish to accept. In order to speed up the general acceptance of its brand, the exchange indicated that it is on a course to reduce friction and improve flexibility within the crypto payment process on both sides of the ecosystem. Only Coinbase managed accounts, according to the study, are qualified for auto-conversion. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were recently withdrawn from the Crypto Earn Rewards program of the Crypto.com exchange, along with a number of other virtual currencies. Uber Eats now allows to pay for your favorite food with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and many other cryptocurrencies will now be accepted as payment methods on Uber Eats. Holders of SHIB can use their assets to pay for food delivery services using BitPay. The delivery payment system may undergo a change if customers can pay with cryptocurrency. Users of the BitPay system have 3 ways to pay for food using cryptocurrency. Users can purchase Uber and DoorDash gift cards using cryptocurrency wallets. The BitPay card can be used to spend cryptocurrency just like cash. Users can now use their cryptocurrency wallet to pay for food orders from takeaway.com and Menufy. By using the BitPay feature, users can make payments with Shiba Inu, Doge, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Grubhub, DoorDash, and many eateries including Steak and Shake, Chili's Grill, and others that deliver meals already accept BitPay. Shiba Inu has witnessed a significant number of adoption cases this year. Even in the middle of the current economic depression, it has consistently shown that it is one among the most well-liked cryptocurrency initiatives. The Shiba Inu is another breed that Ethereum whales favor. According to WhaleStats, it is the coin that the top 100 Ethereum whales own the most of. The Layer 2 protocol for SHIB is almost ready for public consumption. By Q3 of this year, Shibarium will be ready for the public testnet. With the support of a strong SHIB army that stands with the project throughout its development, the coin is trying to increase its adoption and growth. Before we end this, let's talk about Shytoshi. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button in order to get breaking news. You can also send us an email using the email address on your screen if you need our services for creating adverts and business proposals. Shytoshi hints at a major announcement in 24 hours. A significant impending news for Shiba Inu was just shared by Shytoshi Kusama, the chief creator of ShibaSwap. He told the SHIB army that he will have a lot to say tomorrow. Investors in SHIB, however, are excited because they think the team might introduce something fresh, and they are motivated by the suspense. I'm writing today. Shytoshi Kusama tweeted that he will have a lot to say to SHIB army tomorrow. So maybe we should take a wild guess to decode what Shytoshi Kusama's announcement tomorrow might be. Shibarium documentation may be the first to be announced, possibly tomorrow. Shytoshi has already tweeted several times that the public will soon be able to view Layer 2's documentation. He stated in his tweets that documentation for Shibarium might be made available by the end of July. Additionally, Unification, the company developing Shibarium, declared that the public beta testnet would begin operations in Q3 2022. Investors can therefore see a preview of the Layer 2 solution before September 30th of this year. The announcement made tomorrow might also possibly refer to a potential partnership with Red Bull, but we'll have to wait and see what Shytoshi says in person tomorrow. Shiba Inu was trading at 0.00001078 at the time of publication, up 7.8% over the previous day's trading. In addition, the dog-themed token has decreased by over 88% 38% from its October 2017 all-time high of 0.00008616. That's all for today on Bashbox Crypto News. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to the doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this.